Hi everyone, I'm Umesh Chandra from second year IoT. Today we are going to learn about regular expression. Regular expressions are generally used for pattern matching, and regular expressions use special symbols and meta characters to find multiple characters and repetition in the patterns. So these are some meta characters. This is called caret symbol and this is used to find the pattern from the beginning of the line. Then we have dollar symbol, which is used for matching the pattern from end of the line. Then we have dot, which matches any single character except a new line. And these are different literal characters. So if there is slash small s, it matches white spaces, that means blank space. Slash capital S, it matches non-white spaces. Then we have slash small w, which matches word characters, and slash capital W is used to match non-words characters. And we have different functions in regular expression. These are some functions. We have search function, we have find all function, we have split function, we have substitute function, then we have match function.
Now we will be going to see the practical demonstration of URL and mail extraction as well as phone number validation using regular expressions.
Hello everyone, I'm here to explain about the extraction of the URL from the given string using RE module function. So first, let's import the RE module. Next, let's give the pattern matching and the input string. So as you can see, this is my pattern matching in which I have used re.compile function as it combines the regular expression into the pattern object. So as you can see in the pattern, we use several meta characters in the variables. And next, coming to the input, we have given this, I'm a student studying at ACE Engineering College with few websites and the local hosts. Let's give another variable result and we use re.findAll function as it finds all the occurrences which we have given in the pattern as well as the input. Print the result. As you can see, we got all the HTTP and www started websites, URLs in the given input.
Hello everyone. So now let's see the code demonstration for extraction of email ID. So now first we will be importing the RE module in the first line of the code. Next we will be giving a variable. As this is a mail ID extraction, we will be giving mail as an input variable. So line will be giving an pattern over here. Res is a variable name which we are taking here. Re.findAll is a function which we are using in this code for extraction of the email ID from the given input. We'll be using alphanumeric values over here and different characters too. Now let's declare the mail variable here. Print this variable. Now let's run the code. Now let's give the input from where we are extracting the mail ID. So now this is the input we have given here. Now let's see the output. So here you can see we have got the mail IDs, only the mail IDs extraction from the given input.
In order to validate Indian mobile number, first we need to import the RE module and then define the num function with the arguments as in it, where a pattern PAT stores the pattern we need to search, and re.compile method is used to take the source code as input and return the code object as output, which is ready to be executed. And here are the meta characters which were used in pattern matching. The return statement ends up with pat.match, where the match function is used to match the given pattern with the source string, and s is the variable which stores the input. By using if-else conditions, we can validate the phone number. If condition works with the print statement valid number, the given pattern matches with the source string. So when the code is get done, if we give the input as 10 digits number, which is an Indian number, the output is valid number. And when the input is given as wrong input, which is not an Indian number with 5 digits, then the output will be as invalid number. Thank you.